Hi guys, it's Chris and welcome back to Something Else Amiga. What do we have on the show today? Today we have Mr. Pauls Amiga 1200.
That's not mine.
Which is freshly back from our friends in Canada at Retro Rewind. It just got recapped, licked and slapped, and here it is. Why? Mr. Paul writes an email and he says, "My PAL A1200 has something going on with the sound. There's a constant buzz and static. If I play something through it, the video distorts and then the system crashes." So I have it hooked up and I've turned it on before just to make sure it works. And what we're going to do is we're going to load Amiga Test Kit to take a look at this sound. Alright, so I am currently running this through the GBS 8200. That yellow box you see right here, it's got a real RGB DB23. For audio, we're using the Devoom TVU, the little TV looking pixel speaker thing right here. And with a 3.5mm to RCA adapter. This is a PAL Amiga, so it will show in the middle. And we're just going to go right to audio. Sounds great. What are you talking about? No buzzing. All four channels are kicking. Filter. Two. Yeah. 3, 4. Sounds great. No cracking. Loud. Op amp's great. I thought the op amp would be poo. It's got some fresh solder on it. Sounds wonderful. Let's do the sine wave. They're all uniform. Let's flip it up to 10K. Woo! Hurt your pet's ears. They are all uniform. Woo! That hurts my ears. This sound sounds wonderful. We're going to test it with a game. Let's give her the normal test. I mean, Mr. Frank does a great job, so I'm not doubting anything, but you never know. Things can happen. CIA's pass. We're just going to give it the memory while I hunt for the disc. Pacman. Alright. Memory tests. Let's do the reset bus and let's boot this thing on Miss Pacman via ADF.
Excellent!
Get these lights going.
Alright, turning the studio lights on.
Alright, we are loading Miss Pacman from ADF. It is 901K on an external GoTech. That always helps. Who's the interrupter today? Hi, Kevin. So Kevin's shoes stink, and he washed them.
What the hell did you just say?
This is still loading, by the way. It's not the fastest loader, but it's loading. For this exercise, I am not the gaming person, okay? I'm not the gamer. But we're going to crank this up so we hear music and my crappy gameplay. Apologies in advance. Please feel free to yell at the TV. I'm going to do my best.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
I use this Sega Master System controller from my Sega Master System that I got in 1982. And here we go. Sounds just wonderful. Popper cherry. That's one. I did it. New record. Intermission. Level 3 with the new pattern. Oh shit. I got one man left. Oh, run!
Run, Forrest, run!
Holy crap, I have never made it this far. Level 4. Okay, new record, level 4 to the pretzel. Hey, not bad for this old fat dude.
I'm dead sexy.
But I mean, this is working fine. It hasn't crashed. I'll let it run. CPU, not hot. Yeah. Could it be an accelerator? Let me try something. We're going to turn this off. I'm going to plug in my TF1230. Now, when I do this, I might get some GBS 8200 crap down the bottom here. We'll see. We're going to load the same game. Miss Pac-Man on ADF. Same controller, same everything. The only difference is TF1230. So the 020 will not be used. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Miss Pac, it loaded a lot faster, I'll tell you that much. Alright. Well, that's 2 games and it's 4 o'clock now, 3:55. And this thing's been running for a while, no, not too long with the TF1230. Alright, here's an intensive thing. This is Frontier Elite 2. I know it's got the noise, but it'll give me the video and it'll give me the test. We're going to see a rabbit hopping because it was an old crack. I will have some PAL stuff on the GBS here. Let me reset this. It's a good video test and audio test. This audio sounds freaking great. Better than my 1200. We haven't had a single crash. We've done ECO20 and even my TF1230 with 64 megs of RAM. This will give the 030 power for this game to do its cinema. We're going to let it run all the way through. I will turn the volume on for a little bit and then I'll turn it down because I've heard it as much as it's like watching State of the Art again. Sounds perfect. Now it does. This game does. It's a little overmodulated on any Amiga. Clear, no crashes. Right here is where it. That. Perfect. Loud too. Listen. Crystal clear. All 4 channels. Now, that is the full intro of Frontier Elite 2. Yet I have no clue how to play this game. I always just attack the space station that I'm at. I think I've gotten off the planet like once. If I just, you know, recommended start position. Alright. I have no idea what I'm doing. So front view. Landed. You call somebody. I want to launch. Prepare for launching. I don't know what this is. 2, 3. I have no idea what I'm doing. Yeah, I just hold down fire and shoot the base. Oh, 7. Take off. Later, sucker. Get me the hell out of here. And we're dead. It's a combination of mouse and this. So, anyway, I lasted a minute.
That's what she said.
Thank you, Commander Jamieson. He died 1st of January, the year 3200. But now this intro is going to do it all over again because that's what it does. Sounds perfect. No lockups. It's been running for a while. It's 4:04 now. Not so long in this game, but what I'll do, I'll just let this run. I'll let it run forever. And, you know, we got some heat in the CPU here. And all the chips are nice and normal warm. Everything's cool. The RAM test passed. Frank capped it with all brand new Nichicon capacitors. And it's got a deep clean, so it was hot tanked, aka ultrasonic. It's got the fresh May 2023, May 3rd, 2023 recap job. and you know he always ultrasonics them. Fresh glue on the budgie time fix. This is a 1D1. The keyboard slidey uppy downy thing is missing, so just so you know, I don't have that. It was shipped to me this way, but everything looks great. Everything's clean. There's no damage. Everything's been fixed. On a recap job, it doesn't look like there was damage that I can see to the board. So I'm going to ship this back to Mr. Paul pronto so he can play, and hopefully everything works out on his end and it's not a piece of hardware that might be causing his crashes or a compact flash type SD card error, and who knows, these things sometimes have minds of their own, but she's working great here. Thank you guys for coming along on this quick checkup at the doctor's office. Till next time, thanks for watching and I hope you learned something.
What do you know from funny, you bastard?